Let's start with the basics. Understanding the different ways to set availability. ServiceTitan offers a robust set of features to cater to various scenarios. You're not just flipping a switch. You're painting a detailed picture of your workforce's capacity. First, there are individual technician schedules. This is where you define the regular working hours for each technician. Think of it as their default availability. This is crucial for establishing a baseline for your scheduling. You'll typically set their standard start and end times, their regular days off, and any recurring breaks. This forms the backbone of their schedule and is the foundation upon which you'll build. Then we have exceptions and overrides. Life happens, right? Technicians take vacations, sick days, or attend training. They might have appointments that fall outside their regular working hours. ServiceTitan allows you to easily mark these exceptions. This is incredibly important for maintaining accurate real-time availability. If a technician is going to be out for a week of vacation, you can block out that entire week. If they have a doctor's appointment on a Tuesday afternoon, you can mark them as unavailable for that specific time slot. This prevents dispatchers from inadvertently assigning them jobs they can't fulfill, leading to frustrated customers and wasted resources. Next, consider skill sets and certifications. This isn't strictly about availability, but it's intricately linked. A technician might be available, but are they available for the right job? ServiceTitan allows you to assign specific skills and certifications to each technician. When you're scheduling, you can filter by these attributes, ensuring that only qualified technicians are assigned to specialized tasks. For example, you wouldn't send a junior apprentice to fix a complex commercial HVAC system if you have a master technician certified in that area available. This not only ensures quality service but also optimizes your workforce by aligning skills with tasks. Another powerful feature is zones or territories. If your service area is large, dividing it into zones and assigning technicians to specific zones can significantly reduce travel time. You can set a technician's availability to be restricted to certain zones, ensuring they're only dispatched to jobs within their designated territory. This isn't always about strict availability in terms of being free, but rather about being efficiently available for jobs within a specific geographical area. It cuts down on wasted travel time and allows technicians to complete more jobs in a day. Now, let's talk about the practical how-to. Accessing these settings in ServiceTitan is straightforward. You'll typically navigate to the Employees or Technicians section within your ServiceTitan portal. From there, you can select individual technicians to manage their profiles. To set regular working hours, you'll usually find a Schedule or Availability tab within the technician's profile. Here, you can define their standard workdays and hours. It's often a simple interface where you can drag and drop to set time blocks or input numerical values. Remember to save your changes. For exceptions and overrides, look for an absence or time off section. This allows you to block out specific dates or times. You can often specify the reason for the absence, e.g., vacation, sick leave, training, which provides valuable context for your dispatchers. Some advanced settings might even allow you to set recurring absences, like a technician who always has Wednesday afternoons off for a college course. Managing skill sets is usually found in the Skills or Certifications tab within the technician's profile. You can add or remove skills from a predefined list or even create custom skills specific to your business. This is where you define who can handle what type of work. And for zones or territories, you'll typically configure these in a separate zones or territories management area within ServiceTitan settings. Once defined, you can assign technicians to these zones from their individual profiles. A crucial aspect often overlooked is communication. It's not enough to just set the availability in ServiceTitan. Your dispatchers need to be trained on how to interpret and utilize this information effectively. Regular team meetings to review scheduling policies and address common challenges can go a long way. Furthermore, technicians should be encouraged to proactively update their availability for any planned absences or unexpected changes. This fosters a culture of accuracy and efficiency. Another tip: leverage reporting. ServiceTitan offers various reports that can help you analyze technician utilization and identify areas for improvement. Are certain technicians consistently underutilized? Are others consistently overbooked? These reports can provide valuable insights into your scheduling efficiency and help you make data-driven decisions to optimize your workforce. Perhaps you need to hire more technicians with specific skill sets, or maybe you need to adjust your service areas. Finally, remember that this is an ongoing process. Your business evolves, your technicians' needs change, and customer demands fluctuate. Regularly review and update your technician availability settings to reflect these changes. This isn't a set-it-and-forget-it task. It's a dynamic aspect of managing your service operations. By meticulously setting technician availability in ServiceTitan, you're not just filling a calendar. You're building a more efficient, profitable, and customer-centric service business. You're empowering your team, delighting your customers, and ultimately, ensuring the sustainable growth of your company. It's a small investment of time that yields massive returns in operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.